Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kaskul Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong kalara ya kanam ha kajing pau ki khana ha result HSSLC balapan banada ka Meghalaya Board of School Education manta ka singi khandai tarik ujamang arajarat pulai ha ka com stream uba wan ha khmat du ude rishab pur ka yastha ha ka baulawan ha ka Kyrdan ka Banyngkong badu akshat das baulawan ha ka Kyrdan ka Basah ha ka science stream warnap data ulawan ha ka Kyrdan ka Banyngkong badu subam das ha ka Kyrdan ka Basah Habaya keren baka principal jang hotika school kalapan pau ka jing song komen bakraw halor ka jing pas bha ki khna ki bawan na katika school barkala airu ka jing khuble ki kmi ki pa ki bla ai men si mi ki khun ka por badi ki khna ki bla 3 minute ha ki jing pulie
I expected to get a position. I knew that I'll get a position, but I was not really sure that whether I'll be getting the first position or not. So I did not check my results out in the morning. The teachers called me up that hey, you got the first position. So I was a bit shocked at that time. Then I just checked it out. Then I was really shocked in the morning. Preparation, I maintain consistency throughout the year. Whenever the schools, tuitions, and everything, they were running full-fledgedly and in a full swing. So I prioritized, whatever was learning, whatever was done in the school. I went parallel to the school, like whatever. Sometimes, like in a day, you just don't find time to study. At the end, the whole day out, you're in the school, then practicals, then tuitions, then just you go home, you rest, and you just don't find time. So at that time, I just kept in my mind that I have to finish up whatever was being done in the school. So I went parallel with it, and then whenever I got time on the weekend, Saturdays, Sundays, I just revised that up. So during the first initial months, it was very casual, and then as time went on, I just became accustomed to these things, and I just somehow got it. Actually, books. I was very much reliant on books and teachers. Like whatever was not, I could not understand from the book. Actually, they only taught whatever was there in the book. But then again, there are questions in the book which I could not solve. So I just approached them. And then internet also, whatever. Sometimes you're in the home, you don't find internet. You don't really feel comfortable to call like at. I used to call them, but sometimes I just. Took help from internet also, and then I used to collect question papers, whatever question papers I used to get, Anthony's, Edmonds, or whatever question papers I used to get. I got them, and I saw whether I'll be able to solve every question or not, and what were the questions that I did not know. So I approached the teachers. I told them that, ma'am, these are the questions that I feel I'm not so much of a comfortable with. So they helped me out with that. Actually, goal, that's also, I'm very confused about that. Initially, I wanted to be a marine engineer, and then I saw people shining in banking sectors and all. Then I wanted to go there, and then something other, like I saw engineering is also very good, so I want to go to engineering. Like whatever I see that this field is good, just I am tempted to go there. And then when I see that these are the disadvantages in these career options, then I just drop that idea. So that's what I'm really confused about that. So I'll just take some advice from my teachers and all, from elders, and then I'll make that decision. I want them to, I would suggest them to, work the way their teachers tell them. The teachers know, how, the teachers know very well that, how to get good, how to make students get good marks. So if they listen to them, like the teachers will tell you that you have to study these much hours, you don't need to do these, you need to leave these things, and so they just I feel if they listen to their teachers, it's enough.
Mr. Burkasto, and today I achieved a first rank from commerce stream from Laban Bengalee Boys, and I'm very, very grateful for that. I really wasn't expecting. I was totally shocked when I saw the results today. I will just say that a big part of it goes to the teachers, the parents, and all the people around me, my friends, my rivals in school, all of them. I was consistent throughout the year. Like from last year when the classes started, I was studying not 6 hours every day. Like I was studying 2 hours. Then slowly, as exams started approaching, as the board exam started approaching, I started to increase the quota. But I was really keeping in mind that I just shouldn't burn myself out. I was increasing it in such a way that I couldn't actually sustain it. So I won't say I studied 10 hours or 12 hours every single day. I just increased it little by little as the exams kept approaching. I think in this day and age, you can take every help you can get And I think the internet is a very, very big source of help where you can get. You can search the questions paper, you can even get some answers which you may not be familiar, you can find in a book. So I think in this age, I think you should really take the help of the internet. Of course, you should not ignore your teachers. That is very painful. I won't give a big lecture on how to study or how. I'll just say that believe in your teachers, the advice that they give you. Believe in your parents. I think everyone has great parents, and I think they are very, very helpful in in motivating yourself up. There will be time when you will not feel like giving up, but I think those your parents, your friends can really bring you up from that dark phase. And the most important now, believe in yourself. I think if you don't believe in yourself, then your hard work will not give you any fruit. Thank you.
Akshat Das, and I'm from Laban Bengalee Boys, and I got the 4th position from Commerce. I am actually a bit surprised with my position. I was expecting position, but not in between 1 to 5. I was expecting the lower positions, but surprisingly I got it. I was consistent from the beginning, as my friend said. I will say the same. First of all, when the academic year started, I didn't put so much of effort. I was nominal. I was studying, but nominally, and gradually I increased my time. The first reaction was from my mother. She was overwhelmed. She cried for a while, and that all. And my teachers also, when I entered, they were very happy and proud. For the upcoming ones, I would like to advise, follow the instructions given by the teacher. The questions which they give are the ones which usually come, and it happened with me as well. So I would like to say that. Give importance. I was an average guy from the beginning. I had no confidence from the beginning actually. It was the teachers who motivated me that you can do it, and it helped me a lot.
Thank you for covering our school for this result for 2023. Our school is having 2 streams, science and commerce, and both of them are very good stream with a good team of teachers, and the result will talk to that. Let me announce my result. Our 35 students from science stream, they have appeared, and all have passed. Out of that, Arnab Datta, he scored first position with highest mark in physics, chemistry and computer science. Another student, his name is Shubham Das. He has scored 4th position and scored highest mark in mathematics. Our first division candidate 26, second division 9, 5-star mark holder. And also distinction mark we have got, not highest, 9 student in English, 16 in mathematics, 4 in chemistry, 7 in physics, 2 in Bengali, 2 in biology, 1 in Hindi, and 4 in computer science. And this year we got very good result in computer science also. Mathematics last also we got, and highest mark in commerce in mathematics. That is also good sign, because in commerce student we don't find they are taking mathematics, and they think that science is best for very good student, commerce is not there. But for nowadays there is a opportunity for commerce student also, and if the students are having mathematics and accountancy combination, they are getting very good jobs. And now government job is very limited, so private jobs are there. So in private job these subjects are very, very important. So our students we are motivating them, asking them to join with mathematics, because it is mothers, because mothers are the driver of whole driver of the home, you can say. because if they don't care, fathers are going for jobs and all, no? So they are not always present at home. If we call the guardians, fathers cannot come. Only mothers usually come. So if the mothers are literate, then it helps a lot. They listen to us. Sometimes we communicate with different language, taking other help. So they listen. This is the main cooperation with the guardians, which helped us. And for the students community, listen to your parents first, then the teachers, and finally you will see the goal and they will enjoy their full life. 2-3 results we had in mind. So 4, that is a good news for us. They are bright students, but they didn't score in rank in SSLC. They are studying from this school only from 5 onwards. 1 or 2 students were very sick also. We have provided them with it is a very big building, 5-story total. So sometimes they cannot move. So we shifted them this room or that room. That way we helped them. And now one student, he has arthritis problem. So he come up with a rank. Another student also some thyroid problem. So he also put up now first. So this is a motivation by the teachers. They most of the teachers here, they are say more than 25 years of experience. So they can do it by themselves. No need of any other help. From 94 this stream has started. So from 94 onwards we are here. 1 or 2 teacher newly appointed in other subject, but they also got the help of the senior teachers. So for us this is not a problem. For us it is the problem because all are not rich. All these students, they are not rich. They are helped by, say someone is given fees. Though our fees is less, that also they cannot give. So some are getting help from the locality people with the fees and sometimes with the books. This type of help, material help they got. Class-wise teachers are giving, but see dress, fees, then book copies, so many things are required. The mathematics, because it is hard for them, because this mathematics is science based, but still they are capable of doing that. That means this shows that very good students are also coming. Like in Delhi, very good percentage required for commerce stream, but here also gradually good students are coming in commerce stream, and the result shows 2 ranks, first and fourth we got in commerce, just like science first and fourth. So I expect commerce students should not feel that they are deprived with the course. As per science, and our present government is giving the assurance that science, commerce and arts, they will get equal avenues, but main thing is good result. So that is, these 2 stream has shown to us this year. Last year also we got, but still we are after so many years. In 2005 we have started our commerce stream. For the first few years we could not get mathematics subject in the students, and if they get, they fail. So we have given them opportunity and taught them along with the science class, and same maths we are teaching. So we got this result this year, highest in mathematics in commerce stream.